Good morning, Stuart. How are you? I hear we're going to do a filling on you today. Is this true? I hope this finds you all well and in good form. I hear you've been to Oregon, or you're going to Oregon. Oh, you're going to Oregon. I have not been to Oregon for 25 years, but I remember the Oregon coast as being spectacularly beautiful. Well, Miss Hillary tells me that we're going to be doing a filling on front, and she's put a little bit of topical on your gums, didn't know that. And with your permission, I would like to, let's take a look. Okay, thank you, Miss Hillary.
You're welcome.
Okay, well, you know what I like to do? I like to just put a little bit of Novocaine, more Novocaine in that one area. And let's take a look. Oh, nice. Now, Miss Hillary, if you bring that light in for me, that would be fabulous. Thank you. And I'm just going to grab your lip like this. Yep. Okay, there we go.
Can you turn the light off?
Oh.
Turn it off.
Oh, can turn it. Okay. There we go. I put a little bit of something in there. And let's put just a little bit more in there. Thank you. Thank you very much. Nobody likes getting everything in the front like this. There we go. A little bit more like this. Fabulous. Thank you very much. Okay. So we're going to put a little bit more of that in there. And guess what? We are ready to roll here. Thank you. And I am just going to start here. Tell me how you're doing, Stuart.
Excellent.
If you feel anything, you stop me there, okay? Alright. Remember, my promise to you is that you're not going to feel anything. If you feel anything, you stop me, okay? This one is the old-fashioned burr. It rattles a little bit, so I apologize for this. Perfect. Now, let's just do a little bit of an etch here. I'm going to put something on your tooth. This tastes really, really bad, so we're going to rinse this off really well. Okay, initially, if you would mind, yes, thank you. Thank you. Now, let's put a dry cotton roll in here. I got that. Let's put a dry one of these in here. We got to keep this part we have to keep nice and dry, okay? So, let's see. I'm just going to dry this off a little bit here. There we go. Now this part, you're going to thank you. Let's try this off. There you go. Thank you, Hillary. And I got an A1 there, shaded hybrid, so. Good work, thank you. And just going to put a little bit of this on here. Thank you. I've got that gold, it's right there.
You got that golden.
Yeah, on this one. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Miss Hillary. And I'm going to go and just take a gold burr and polish that up a little bit. Polish it here. Thank you, Miss Hillary. Fabulous. Now a little bit of polishing here. Alright. Now, Stuart, just take your tongue and run your tongue along that just to make sure it's nice and smooth. I want to make sure that that feels good before you leave. All right, Miss Hillary, thank you so much, Stuart. You're a great patient. I appreciate that. We'll see you soon, okay? Take care now. Okay. So.
Alright, student, thank you for coming in today. If you'd like to hop up and rinse out in the sink, you're more than welcome to. I'll get you checked out up front.